greet.
Guten Abend. Yes, I am Anna.
I am Otto. Otto Reger, owner and manager of the hotel. Welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. How was your journey?
Ah, not so good. The snow was very heavy. And I've seen some snowstorms.
Meine liebe Dame, let me check your bags. We can have tea in the dining hall.
Thank you, Herr Reger.
Anna, come with me to the dining hall. Your tea is served. So, what brings you here?
I try to get to the Alps every winter.
Oh, they're wonderful this time of year. Do you work, Anna?
I write for a magazine in Zurich.
How interesting. What do you write about?
Politics. Sometimes I write about my passion, crime.
How intriguing. Anna, some very strange things have been happening here in the hotel. Would you help me investigate?
Of course. What is going on?
Ah, little things, often difficult to explain. For example, the hotel keys. Poof, they vanish. And then, poof, they reappear.
How curious.
Yeah, and yesterday a photo album with pictures of all of the guests disappeared.
When did it go missing?
Yesterday.
Shall I help you look around?
Yeah, come with me to the reception desk.
Maybe it's somewhere here. Let me see. Great! I found a key.
Let me see. Yes, that is the missing key. I must be tired. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, Otto.
Now, if you will excuse me, I'm very tired.
Do you mind if I have a look around?
Of course not. Good night, Anna.
Good night, Otto. I want to check the hall before going to bed. Great! I found a photo album. The photo album! But some of the photos are torn out. Anyway, I should go to bed. Otto said that my room is on the second floor, room number 5. Where is my hat? I cannot leave without it. Great! I found a hat. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Anna. Meine Damen und Herren, please allow me to introduce our new guest, Anna Myers.
So nice to meet you, Miss Miles. I am Giovanni Rossi.
A pleasure, Mr. Rossi.
This is Mr. Peterson from Munich.
Guten Tag.
And this is Claudia Perre, his nurse.
Bonjour, Miss Myers.
Professor Charles Clark from Scotland.
Pleasure to meet you.
Dr. Hartmann from Hamburg.
And Anna, Frau Meyer.
Walter McCain from the United States.
Good morning, Anna.
I am Father Lenz from Switzerland.
And this is Ulla from Sweden.
Hello, Anna.
Professor Kinski has not come down yet.
Ah, he probably drank too much whiskey and played too many games of cards last night.
Or perhaps he had the romantic endeavor, Xander.
Oh, gentlemen, please. There are ladies present.
Scusi.
Anyway, it would be interesting to know how Professor Kinski is.
He told me yesterday he was having heart problems. Perhaps someone should go and check on him.
I can go. Where is his room?
It's on the second floor, room number 10.
I will see if he's there. Professor Kinski, my name is Anna Myers. Are you awake? The door is locked. I will see if there is a spare key.
Is the professor in his room, Anna?
I called out, but he did not respond.
Maybe he's asleep.
Perhaps. Let's get a key and see if he is in there.
That's a good idea. There should be one in reception. Look! All the keys are missing again.
Let's look around. We might find them. Great! I found some cigarettes. I found cigarettes. Do you smoke, Otto?
Nein, no.
Let me see. Italian cigarettes? I wonder where they came from.
Perhaps they are Giovanni's.
He doesn't smoke as far as I know.
There are no keys, gentlemen. I believe we should break the door to Professor Kinski's room. Something bad might have happened.
I agree. Let's move. The door won't open. We need something sharp.
Anna, would you go to the kitchen and get us a knife?
Certainly.
It's in the room, just below us.
Great! I found a knife.
Good. You found one. Give it to me, please. Great. This is just what we needed. Thanks, Anna.
Is he?
He's dead.
Oh my God!
It looks like his heart has stopped.
Maybe he was killed.
No, I don't think so. The room was closed, and I don't see anything suspicious on his body.
And the girl?
Claudia?
Yes. She told us that Professor Kinski complained about his heart. So it probably was a heart attack.
This is terrible.
It is.
Walter, could you stay here? Anna, could you please go to reception and telephone the town police and call the ambulance?
Absolutely.
Anna, have you called the police?
The telephone does not seem to be working.
Yeah, it's old, and sometimes the wires get crossed. Could you look into it?
Certainly.